to be native to a place, we must learn to speak its language. Allow the power to flow through you. Don't try to capture it. You wish only to borrow it. Old age is not as honorable as death, but most people want it. It does not require many words to speak the truth. Day and night cannot dwell together. If the white man wants to live in peace with the Indian, he can live in peace. Remember that your children are not your own, but are led to you by the Creator. Children learn from what they see. We need to set an example of truth and action. Our first teacher is our own heart. I'm half Native American and half white, so I think I can adjust culturally to anything. The ground on which we stand is sacred ground. It is the blood of our ancestors. Take only what you need and leave the land as you found it. Sometimes dreams are wiser than waking. Wonder what opportunities you pass, unwittingly, because your hands are so busy clasping what you think you have always known. A brave man dies but once, a coward many times. Live your life that the fear of death can never enter your heart. Character is always known. Thefts never enrich. Alms never impoverish. Murder will speak out of stone walls. If I want my people to be free, Americans have to be free. A fire is a nice idea, but won't we be spending the evening under the covers? The reality is that every time we manipulate nature's rhythms, we create unintended consequences that then require us to make further changes. He put in your heart certain wishes and plans. In my heart he put other different desires. At the center of the universe dwells the Great Spirit, and that center is really everywhere. It is within each of us. Tribe follows tribe. Nations follow nations like the tides of the sea. It is the order of nature, and regret is useless. The word is important in Native American tradition. You speak the path on which you walk. Your words make the trail. If a man is as wise as a serpent, he can afford to be as harmless as a dove. What is life? It is the flash of a firefly in the night. It is the breath of a buffalo in the winter time. It is the little shadow which runs across the grass and loses itself in the sunset. They are not dead who live in the hearts they leave behind. Beware of the man who does not talk, and the dog that does not bark. All things share the same breath, the beast, the tree, the man. The air shares its spirit with all the life it supports. When it comes down to pure ornamental cursing, the Native American is gifted above the sons of men. Everybody's creative. We create our songs and our paintings, our families and our children. Every one of us is on the cutting edge of the future. Allow the power to flow through you. Don't try to capture it. You wish only to borrow it. If fame goes by, so long I've had you, fame, if it goes by. I've always known it was fickle, so at least it's something I experience. But that's not where I live. The greatest achievement ever accomplished in this universe is life on earth. Let's take care of it. There is but one secret to success. Never give up. Attending to your own words and ideas as well as those of others is an admirable trait in any person, but a necessity in a leader. When a woman grabs my braids and says, "How cute," I grab her breast and say, "How cute." She will never touch me again. No kingdom on earth can surpass the great outdoors. A very great vision is needed, and the man who has it must follow it as the eagle seeks the deepest blue of the sky. Do not judge your neighbor until you walk to moons in his moccasins. You already possess everything necessary to become great. All dreams spin out from the same web. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing.